bricks. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. When me I use me chopper phone, no chatting a lot. Or ram with me mother food. Spanish town. Foreign account.
Good morning, guys. I'm looking up because I'm looking at myself on the camera. Let me look at y'all. Anyways, guys, so today I am going to Jamaica. Yeah, it's quarantine time right now, but I gotta do what I gotta do. I need to visit my husband. So yes, I'm ready. This is the fit. Got my Majestic Doll shirt, and I got some biker shorts, and I got some nice slides. Yeah, so yeah, catch you guys at the airport if I'm allowed to film or if I'm allowed to do anything, because there's a lot of new processes going on because of the COVID and stuff. So let's see, either at the airport or in Jamaica. Let's see. So guys, I hope you guys can hear me. I am hot. Yo, the gate to go to Jamaica is so flipping far. Right now I'm on one of these. Yo, you can see I'm sweating. Look, I am sweating. But honestly, the process, we had to line up in another line because our flight was a little bit later than people who were already there. So we got in, and then we had to sanitize our hands, and then after we went into the check-in line. So you know, normally you would check into those kiosk touchscreen stuff if you're in Toronto Pearson. We don't do that. We have to go to the teller and they check our information and stuff. But guys, holy, I am sweating. I'm gonna reach Jamaica yet, and this mask is not making it any better. But yeah. Hey guys, you don't know Shickaa Chung, and I am here in Jamaica. I did not film when I came yesterday, but I am just here about to get ready to do nothing because I have to quarantine. I am under quarantine orders. But yeah, you don't know. So guys, I got this mango. I'm so excited to eat it. You see, Kemar start back with him antics and foolishness again to come sabotage me, my vlog them. But Gwaan like he don't like it. I soon prank him. Anyways, yes, ready to eat this. It's nice and big, but I just don't wanna mess up my white shirt. Oh God, don't look at my belly. But yeah, guys, I'm damaging this mango. You call me Aunt Messy, but me no business. Sweet bad. Sorry, my mouth look nasty, but it's really sweet. Tastes so good. So y'all, Bay is in the kitchen cooking something. He is making rice and he's making bully beef. The bully beef has not went on the stove yet, but the rice is there. And I'm not sure the kitchen, I just a show right here, so I'm not sure no else. But he's making some nice food. Although I'm not really gonna eat it because I don't really like rice no more. I'm just tired of rice. He's hating on me because every time he cooks, he's making it sound like I shouldn't get none. But it's okay. It's okay. But yes, guys, it's been what? 4 days since I've been here, and the place been so hot. What? Oh, who you talk? Me? I'm right at the door. I don't know which people you talk about, but it's been extremely hot. There is the Sahara, what's it called? Sahara dust going on right now. So like the place is like dusty. Yeah, rice dash way. Let's make a baby them down there. But yeah, the Sahara dust is taking over, so outside is like dusty and you already know. But yeah, guys. KK. JJ. Still in Jamaica on quarantine. I've been coming on camera with my bald head because literally I don't have nowhere to go, so why am I wearing a wig? It's extremely hot. But yes, me and babe is here. I don't really want to show the bed because the bed is kind of pulled up and such. Babe's just looking at me, just staring at me like I'm an idiot, which I'm probably acting like one because I've been acting like one. What's up, guys? It's Shickaa Chung. You know, it's another day. This is me, KK. KK Kayla. Yeah, we're out here on the ends. We're bored as hell. The house hot, so we're just here. Hi, JJ. Hi, JJ. Say hi.
Hi.
Yes.
Next,
Yeah.
this is manga.
Yeah.
This is manga.
I'm not gonna press it. If I press it, come off. If I press it, it turns off. But yeah, we're just out here, just enjoying the evening, you know. Place is too hot, so we just come outside. Guys, my quarantine is done in 2 days. 2 more days until I can actually go on the road. So yeah.